Hi, so this is how you travel during COVID, and as you can see, I'm now in Santorini, and this is very pretty, as you can see in the back. So what I want to do today is the hiking between Fira to Oya, and I really hope that I can reach there way before sunset maybe. In the meantime, we gonna visit like a circle and other places, and as you see, the trip, the path is really beautiful. Like on your left side is like the water and everything. So, and the right side you see the houses and. So this is now second journey of the video. As you can see, behind me is like so beautiful, and this is where I'm heading towards to. So it's we'll pass by some smaller village between Fira and Oya. So it's super beautiful, and we keep recording and we keep updating. So the total distance is about 10 kilometers, but it's just like an easy hike, and it's so beautiful. Hi, this is the third part of the video, and as you can see, we are still walking right here, but you can see the next town is coming soon. It's in I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, we keep going, and I think we just started around 1.5 kilometers, but I took a lot of videos and photos, so it felt longer than it should be. But we still have like around 8 or 9 kilometers more, maybe 8 plus. We'll take a break for lunch, and then we continue until Oya, hopefully before sunset. So now we are in one of the checkpoint. It's called Second Rock, something like that. That's here. So I'm gonna go up there, and it will take I think 15-30 minutes. I hope it's not raining. Let's go. There. So it was raining really bad, really bad. Like the wind was crazy, my umbrella was turned the other way around, and now I'm still trying to continue the trip, which is still left 7 point something kilometers. In the worst case, I will take the bus or taxi, or you see the clouds. Yeah, it's crazy. That is Oya. So it's another pit stop. It's called Panagia Church. Sorry. So as you can see, we are almost around 2-3 kilometers more to Oya, and this Panagia church is one of the churches in between Fira to Oya, and there were so many churches, and one of them is the one that I showed before. It's owned by the family, and so it's beautiful. The weather in Santorini is crazy, so it's actually it was raining really hard. It was windy, raining, and even people say, I don't think you can continue your walk to Oya because it's just super crazy, and somehow after the rain stop and the electricity come back, it's just suddenly bright, like super sunny. I think it's also because I keep walking, and also because the clouds are moving, so sometimes you get, now if you can see, it's really sunny, it's really hot, and you can see some other towns down there. I thought this is really different. It's like moss that grows, and it's on the way. So as you can see, that's the church that we passed by before, and oh yeah, it's just some meters away. Oh my, I found more. See the color? It's just different. The whole thing is like this. I don't know what is grown here. Oh, we are coming soon. Getting closer. We are practically maybe 1 or something kilometer more. As you see here, see, that's the way, that's the way, that's the way, that's the way. Yeah. So we are coming soon. We are getting closer. See, that's it. And probably 1 kilometer. So this is the way that we came from. It's from this way, and now we're gonna continue to back. Oh yeah. Well, oh yeah. It's probably around 1 kilometer more or less. I'm gonna find some food. I'm really hungry because the electricity was cut off. Yuna was stopped in the for lunch, and I couldn't get the food that I wanted. So then I had to just get some, from the bakery, and I'm super hungry. So let's go. So we are arriving in the iconic streets of Oya, and here now we are going to go to the Blue Dome Church, and as you can see, this is all also the view that we saw before, and